Ladies and gentlemen, good evening, SeaWorld fans! Welcome to Texas's most wonderful amusement park, theme park, SeaWorld San Antonio. On behalf of all of my colleagues who work here in all of the different departments, I'm talking landscaping, I'm talking administration, marketing, operations, culinary, merchandise, zoological. Welcome to the grand opening of Barracuda Strike. You know, one of the things that we do here at SeaWorld is we listen to our guests. We want to know what you want from our park. Now, we know that you want animals, and of course, we're the best in animals. We've rescued over 42,000 animals in our over 60-year history. We are all about conservation and education. We want people to know about the animals that we share this wonderful world with. But we also want you to come out and enjoy some amazing adventures, amazing events, and we have events all year long. In fact, coming up soon is our Seven Seas Food Festival. Our culinary department is pulling out all the stops to bring you food from over 10 different regions of the world. But also here at SeaWorld San Antonio, we like to provide you with some thrills. Yeah, who likes thrills? Over the years, we have built up a portfolio of roller coasters, and tonight we are premiering for you our newest. It is the tallest inverted family coaster in all of North America, and you, my friends, are going to be among the first to ride it. We've got some excited people here today. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to strap yourselves in, because Barracuda Strike is open! We invite you to come on in and be our guests and enjoy this amazing ride. 1,800 feet of track, 44 miles per hour. It is the tallest inverted family coaster in North America, and we are happy to share it with you. Have a wonderful time here at SeaWorld San Antonio.
We'll figure it out.
Okay. We don't have to walk the whole queue then.
Morning guys.
I had three freebies, three of them.
All right. Thank you for riding Barracuda Strike. And enjoy the rest of your day here at SeaWorld San Antonio.